Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah. Which date is your interview, Karnataka Bank?
The 1st of March 2021.
Only 1st of March. Very good, very good. No
Yes, sir.
problem. What is your degree?
Sir, my basic degree is BE, Bachelor of Engineering in Instrumentation Engineering, and MTech in Biomedical Instrumentation.
Biomedical instrumentation. Good. Which year did you complete?
So in 2015, from College of Engineering, Pune.
After that, where are you working?
So after that, I had worked for 6 months in a healthcare company as business development and customer support executive.
Hmm.
And after that, I have married in 2016 when shifted to Mumbai. So I was there in Mumbai for 4.5 years, and recently in 2020 October, I came in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu.
Achha, you were working in Coimbatore.
No, sir, not working. My husband is working in Karur Bank.
You have shifted to Coimbatore now.
Yes, sir. My husband is working in Karur Bank.
Oh,
So he's in handling CCO, check clearing office.
okay.
So there, Karur Bank has shifted all the grid of CCO in Coimbatore. So
Very,
he's handling Western grid here. So in 2020 October, he came here.
very good. Now, can you tell me
Yes.
what are the functions of commercial banks?
Sorry,
Hello.
sir.
What are the functions of commercial banks?
So my voice is coming back to me.
Acha, acha. What are the functions of commercial banks?
Yes, sir. Function for commercial bank, basically
Yeah.
the money from customers and to lend the money for the loan to accept deposits and to give loans. In the primary function, we can tell that accepting deposits and also lending funds. So the credit are savings. So it's,
Yeah. Hello.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
You know, it's getting, there is some problem here. That is okay. No problem. Now, you told me about the functions of commercial banks.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
can you tell me what are the ancillary services rendered by commercial banks?
Which services, sir?
Ancillary services, that is extra services like
Extra services. Like give the facility of locker facility. We call it as for the donation of samples also they provide, and also the debit card, gift card. They offer. Also, we can say and passbook service also from mobile passbook service also. They are having kiosk also where we can print our passport. If no e-logins are there,
good.
these services.
No, actually, yeah, you need to mention about mainly about bank assurance and
Bank
also
assurance.
bank lockers.
Bank lockers.
Yeah,
Bank lockers.
lockers you told me, but
Yes, sir.
bank assurance did you tell? No, I don't.
Yes, the bank assurance. It is the selling of life assurance and other insurance products and services.
Excellent. Can you tell
Yes,
me
sir.
why banks give locker service to customers?
The locker service means I can, from my point of view, means customers having that trust and banks are building that trust with the customers to fill all their important from in terms of money or the ornaments of all the confidential or precious products of them to save in their lockers. Also, they charge a bank charge for them for the locker facility.
Very good.
Yeah.
When the banker collects a check on behalf of his customer,
Okay.
what is the relationship between banker and customer?
Okay. Relation of banker and customer.
See, in the case of deposits, banker
Yes, sir.
is a debtor, customer is creditor.
Okay. Debtor
In the
and
case
customer.
of law,
Got it.
say Loan services. 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute. Hello. Yes, please. Yeah. Yeah. You are appearing for which interview? Which interview are you appearing? अच्छा अच्छा, कल बताएगा, हम शाम को बताएगा. Thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, so much disturbance.
Okay.
We were discussing about debtor, creditor. See, in the
Yes,
case of deposit accounts, banker is a debtor, customer is a creditor.
okay, sir. Customer
But in the
creditor.
case of loan account, banker is a creditor, customer is a debtor.
Debtor. Yes.
But in the case of collection of checks,
Collection of checks, then customer will be the creditor and bank will be the debtor.
wrong. Customer will be principal
Okay.
and banker will be agent.
Yes.
Because we are recovering money for, sorry, we are collecting for the customer who is a principal and we are agents.
Yes, sir. Banker will be the agent.
Yeah. In the
Banker
case of
acts as an agent.
in the case of safe deposit locker is a lessor,
Okay.
customer is a lessee.
Lessor and lessee.
Just as you have taken a house on rent in Coimbatore,
Yes,
the
sir.
owner is a lessor
Okay.
and Karur Vysya Bank is the lessee which has taken the house on rent.
Yes, sir.
Or your husband must be lessee.
Yes.
That is
Yes.
what it is. Okay, that's right. Now,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me something about bank assurance services? In what way bank is benefited by it?
You know what?
In what way bank is benefited by it?
Bank insurance, you can say it is a relationship between a bank and insurance company. So they offer, means insurance company, means from insurance company, they offer the insurance products to the customer and also the insurance benefits to the bank customer. So insurance policies are processed by the insurance company, but we, bank, as a banker, we give the insurance products to the bank customer.
Good. So, and why we are doing it?
Uh,
Why are the banks doing it?
So, for them is
Hello, for example, why? Hello, listen.
for the benefits of both the firms.
For what benefit?
Mm.
Bank gets commission.
Yeah.
Bank gets income or commission.
Yes, sir. Bank gets income from the commission. Yes.
Very good. So what is an ATM?
ATM is automatic teller machine.
What is a white label ATM?
White label ATM, sir.
White label ATMs.
The white label ATM, it is the type of owned and operated by non-banks.
Correct. They are not run by banks. They are run by somebody else, some other outside organization. Good. Very good.
Under the Payment Settlement Act.
What is banking ombudsman? How many banking ombudsmen are there in our country?
How many banking ombudsman? Banking ombudsman, it is a scheme actually to complain, to get the complaint from the customer, and also it is a judicial authority formed by the Reserve Bank of India under the Banking Regulation Act. So it deals with the to take the complaint from the customer.
How many are there in our country? Roughly 22.
22.
Yeah.
Okay.
And what is the maximum compensation they can give?
Maximum compensation?
20 lakhs. 20 lakhs.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In the case of a minor account, who will operate the account?
So, their parents, minor parents,
Parents will sign as
yes,
guardian.
sir.
Good.
As a guardian,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Partnership firm, can they open savings bank account?
Sorry, sir, partnership?
Partnership firm, can they open savings bank account?
No, sir.
No. They can open only current account.
Current account, yes, sir. Only current account for business.
What is the difference between savings bank and current account?
So savings bank account is means deposit. Current account is for the business purpose only. They don't get the interest from the bank. Savings account it is the it's common for all the general public. They can deposit their money and they can get the interest from the bank.
Okay. Can you tell me what is CTS?
CTS is check transmission system, sir.
What is it?
So it is the image-based clearing system for the bank, for the check, which is formed by the ADDA and commenced in 2010. And it is for the faster clearing of checks, which means truncation means stopping the flow of the physical check, which is issued by the bank.
I mean, the checks are not being sent, images are being
No,
sent.
images are being sent to the directory bank.
Yeah.
Bank.
So
And
can
for the clearing purpose, it is used.
you tell me the parties to a check? Who are all the parties in a check?
Parties in a check. So parties in a check include drawer, depositor, and drawer.
Drawer, depositor, then?
And void. The financial institution.
Wrong. Drawer is the depositor. Drawee is the name of the bank.
Bank, yes, sir.
Then
And
payee.
is the to whom? To whom we are paying.
In whose favor it has been given.
Yes, sir.
Then if he signs on the reverse of the check, he is called endorser.
Yes, sir.
And to the person to whom the check has been endorsed is known as endorsee.
Endorsee.
And also when it is collected through clearing,
yes, sir.
The banker who is collecting is known as collecting banker.
Yes, sir.
And the bank on which it has been drawn is also known as paying banker.
Paying bank. Yes.
Could you follow?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So,
these are the parties.
Yes.
Supposing you are put in charge of a bank, savings bank section, you are passing checks. What are the points you will look into before authorizing payment of cash?
Yes, sir. So first of all, we'll see the name of the payee, the sign signature which has been done. Is it similar, which has been in the data in the bank? Also the date, is it the current date or not? Then it should not be stale check. Also the crossing is very much.
Crossing is there or not? If it is there, what you will do?
So it will not be proceeded further.
It will not be paid over the counter.
Yes, it will not be.
It has to be collected through the bank.
The bank.
Yeah. Can you tell me difference between pledge and hypothecation?
The pledge is means if the bank feels the borrower is trying to cheat, then it can means it can convert hypothecation to the pledge.
Which is pledged?
The pledge it is asset is which is a valuable position transfer to a lender
example.
to secure
Tell the example.
So example of a pledge.
Gold loan.
Is a promise, a cash payment on a car also is a pledge.
No, gold loan. Gold is pledged to the banker.
Banker.
Hypothecation means?
So hypothecation.
Hypothecation comes in the case of, say, a charge created on movable assets such as cars, scooters, tractors, etc. The hypothecation is registered in the books of the registrar RTO office and is also entered in RC book.
Yes, sir.
It is also mentioned in the say on the vehicle that it has been hypothecated to the so and so bank.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
So means we can say it is the pledging of goods against a debt without delivering them to the lender.
Pardon. Pledging of.
Means it is a pledging of goods against a debt without delivering them to the lender.
No. Actually, the person who wants to take loan comes to the bank, pledges his goods. That is gold,
Yes,
jewels.
yes.
Bank is
Yes.
in possession of it.
Yes.
Whereas hypothecation, the charge is created, but possession is still in the hands of the borrower.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Expand RTGS.
RTGS, real-time gross settlement.
Explain plastic money.
Plastic money is ATM cards, debit cards, credit cards, also gift cards, which to the hard plastic cards we use every day in the place of actual banknotes. For example, ATM cards or credit cards are electronic generated cards that act for the plastic money at the time of buying of goods and services.
The assets that have stopped giving income to a bank is known as.
Sorry, sir?
The assets
Yes, sir.
that have stopped giving income to a bank is known as.
Non-performing assets.
Checks, promissory note, bill of exchange are called as.
Negotiable instruments.
A bank which is included in the second schedule of RBI Act is known as.
Second schedule. Second schedule of. I'm sorry, sir.
It is known as.
1934, sir.
It is known as scheduled commercial bank.
Yeah, compared schedule commercial bank.
A centralized database with online connectivity to branches is known as.
Centralized CBS, For Banking Solutions.
A savings bank account opened with a commercial bank with zero balance is known as.
With zero balance means it comes under a financial institution, sir.
What is it known as? No frill account.
No frill account, yes.
When the loan is granted for purchase of white goods, it is known as.
White goods.
White goods. White goods means luxury goods like a refrigerator, etc. They
It's
are
called business loan.
consumption loan.
Consumption loan.
Consumption loan.
Loan. Yes.
Yeah. Last question for you.
Yes, sir.
Which bank is the banker to the central government?
RBI, sir.
Good.
Yes.
SEBI is a statutory body or non-statutory body?
Statutory body of.
Or non-statutory body? The answer is
Statutory body, sir.
non-statutory
body.
Non-statutory body.
Yes, sir. Non-statutory.
Very good. Last question.
Yes, sir.
One more question. Federal Reserve is a financial organization of which country?
Federal Reserve
Is a central bank of which country?
The United States.
Correct. Thank you. Best wishes. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Sir, how much you will be?
Now, as it is, because of the sound, I could not hear properly. Otherwise, your performance was good, excepting 2 or 3 questions. You answered other questions. You can be given easily 8.5 to 9.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Best wishes.
Sir.
Attend the interview and send me the list of questions through email.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Thank
sir.
you.
Definitely.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, sir, for giving your time. Yes,
Best
sir.
wishes. I will put it is there in YouTube. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Geeta Bajpai, I also want to give you an interview. Please. Hello. See for your IBPS PO and also for your SBI PO, I am meeting you all at 11 a.m. tomorrow. 11 a.m. tomorrow. Say Google Meet. Please remit rupees 100 to Google Pay and number is 930 and please send the screenshot to S Samba Sivan 2020 at gmail.com. I will send the link. I will send the link. I will send the link. What is your name? Who was asking this? Geeta Bajpai. Geeta Bajpai, I will send. Yeah. Anything to RRB PO, I have already posted in a video separately, and today also I posted a video of a candidate. There is no separate class for RRB's POs, so I have conducted already few mock interviews for them. Thank you. Venki Reloaded. Sir, banking knowledge is like what exactly is focus on? Which interview are you appearing? Which interview are you appearing? Rajikata's blog, sir. Please guidance for PH candidates. Physically handicapped. I don't understand what are you meaning about physically handicapped candidates? Physically handicapped means say visually impaired or what type of persons are they? Prajkata vlog, are you physically handicapped means vision impaired or say other physical impairment or hearing? What is the nature of the problem? If you can listen properly, please call this number not now. I'll take rest for some time maybe, or you do one thing, you send your number to my email id. My email id is there. Hello, please send your phone number to my email id and I will tell you some extra points if you want. Yeah, no, but do one thing. Vishal Pratap Singh, if your interview for RRB is not in the immediate future, what you can do, you can join this SBI PO class itself, SBI PO and IBPS PO class itself. 11 a.m. tomorrow. So pay rupees 100 to Google Pay. I told you already 930 Send screenshot to me. You attend that class 1 hour, you will hear something related to banking. You will hear something related to banking. Okay. Thank you. Best wishes.